Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right. So this is going to be the next part of the e-commerce. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to create users. So whenever they register, they can, let me open the application here. So right now we only got two fields. Well, yes, I have to build it up again. But anyways, let me show you guys. Let me rebuild this again. Do that again. 1 second. There it is, the application. Okay, cool. So currently right now, when you register, you only have the email, the password, and confirm password. So, and then log in the same way. So what I'm going to do is I want to add up some more fields to the application. So what I did is I created two classes inside the models folder. So I created a class which is called application user. So inside the application user, I end up giving it, I end up creating a string with the name, the street address, the city, the state, postal, and a company. And in order to access the company class, what I did is I have to create a foreign key, which is over here. It says I create a public integer company ID, and then I put down company ID on the top. And then also I end up creating a role. So that way, if we want to have a manager or username, so we can do that. So, and also I end up creating one for the company, which is right here. Again, it's going to have an ID, a string, it has the city, the state, all of that, and the phone number. So what I did is I end up adding those inside the DB, inside my application DB context, and I end up creating a new migration. So I end up creating that. So then this is what you guys going to need. All right. So the next thing, once you create the classes, what are you going to do is you're going to go here to the areas folder inside the identity where it says pages. There's really nothing there. It's blank. So what I want to do is you want to go ahead and go to identity, and I want to go ahead and hit add. And inside there, I'm going to add up a new item. So here, what I'm going to do is I am going to, oh, what did it just do? That's not what I wanted. Okay, so inside here, let me go back over here, let me close that. Let me do add new. It's supposed to be new scaffold item right here. So you want to do is identity, hit add. And this is going to create some fields for you. So it's just going to take a little bit. So here, what you want to do is you want to select all. So everything is going to create for you, everything like confirmation, login, register, everything for you. So you don't have to do anything. So here, I am going to select my application DB context. And I think that's the only thing that allows you to select. So I'm going to go ahead and hit add. This is going to take a little bit, not too much. It's not going to take that long, but it's going to take a little bit. All right, cool. So it did create it for me. So I am going to go ahead and go here and inside the identity. See, you have pages. You have one for account. So you have all of this. So see, it did all the work for you. So if we go into here, you have, so you have one for the company and one for the application user. So let me go ahead and close this out. So what I want to do is inside the register, I want to add up some more fields. So here, inside here, I'm gonna go ahead and add a few things on it. So also here inside there, you have the sign-in manager, you have all of that. So you have the required email, you have the password. So guess what? I want to add up some more things to it. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me go ahead and transfer some stuff. Okay, so here what I want to do is I want to go ahead and go inside I want to go here inside the models where it says application user. I'm going to go ahead and copy all of this. I'm going to copy all of that. And I am going to go inside here, right under confirmation password. Right here, I am going to copy all those fields. Perfect. All right, guys. So here we're going to add up a required field. And then I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this map. also get rid of that. Actually, no, we're gonna get rid of this one here. We're not gonna need that. All right, so we have that. So now we can actually focus on the HTML, which is right here. So I am going to go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to go ahead and create another field. This one I'm going to call it input name. Same thing over here. And okay, cool. So now let me see. I'm gonna hit Control R. Go back over here. Yeah, let me go ahead and build it again. Let me hit Control F5. So it's gonna build. All right, cool. So it has built. Let me go back to the application here, and I am going to go ahead and put this one inside a container. So I'm going to grab all this all the way to over here to that div. Let me copy that. All right, so hit Control R. So that way it's nice and central. Like that way it's in the center. See right here. All right, so see, I created the field. So now it's showing the name. So go back. So see, now we have the name. So now we're going to need the string name. So it's going to be the street name or street address. Okay. Street address, and then we're going to need the city. So we have city. Yep. All right. So then after that, we have the state. So I'm gonna go ahead and build all these fields, and you guys will see it. All right, cool guys. So see, now we got more fields. We got the name, the street address, the city, the the state, and all of that. And we got the email, the password, confirmation password. All right. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go here to the application, and we're gonna go ahead and create inside the utility. Let's go ahead and create a class. And this one here, this is going to be for the roles. Let's go ahead and create a class. This one is going to be, I'm going to call it SD. SD like that. And this one's going to be static. All right, so it's going to be public. And it's going to be static. It's going to be class. So here we're going to create some properties. The first one's going to be public, and it's going to be constant string. And here I'm going to call it role. And this one's going to be user. This is just for the user. And I'm just going to call it user. And then this one is going to be equal to individual. Individual customer. So whenever you register, that's going to be for individual. Next one's going to be public constant, and it's going to be the string. This one I'm going to call it role, and this is going to be user company. And this is like for if you want to register a company. So this is company, and this is going to be customer. Next one is going to be public, and this one's going to be string, and I'm going to call this one role. This is going to be for the admin. this one here, I am going to do constant string, and this is going to be for like employee. Like let's say you have employees. And this one is going to be for employee. Cool. So that's that. So that we can access it inside the application. All right, so let me go ahead and close this one out. Let me go ahead and close this one. And inside here, up here, let's go back up here to, we have to go ahead and, we're going to need the role manager. So we want to go ahead and do private. So we have to inject this private and read only, read only. And here we're going to need role manager from identity role. Wait. And this one's going to be underscore role manager. Okay. So that's the only, that's how we're going to be able to create the roles. So now we can navigate down to over here. Down over here where it says this is where the area is. We're going to have to comment this out right here. So that way we could go ahead and some create some. So we have to comment this out, but oh, almost forgot. Hold on. Yeah, once you pass it here, you have to also declare over here. So right over here. So we're going to have to pass. Let's do it over here. So let's pass role manager. And this one is going to be identity role model from role manager. Okay, that's that. And then here inside, you're going to do role model. I'm sorry, role manager, and it's equal to role manager. Voila. All right, so now it's now you can actually access it inside this. Okay, let's go over here. So we need to comment this out right here, all the way from over here. All right, so we comment that out. Yeah, it's coming. All right, so let's go ahead and save that. And here, this is where we're going to go ahead and create the role models. Down over here, we're going to do an if statement. So here we're going to do if await, not await. So we're going to do role manager, and here role exists, and we're going to pass from the SD. We have to bring that in. Oh, hold on. We have to bring that in from utilities, and here we're going to do. We want to do the role admin. So inside here, we want to do is await role manager, and we want to go ahead and create a sync, and we want to do new identity role, identity role. Okay, here's identity role, and so we want to create a new one. So it's going to be SD dot. And what over here we're going to do is create the admin. All right, so that's the first one. So we're going to do another one, and here this is going to be for which one did I do? The next one. Hold on, the role model. Let me see. So we got the employee. So we're going to change that to role employee. Okay, so let's copy all of that. Okay, so this one we're going to change it to user. And then the last one's going to be the company. So that way we'll create roles. So we have that. So that's how we're going to create fields. Okay, so down here, you want to do it. Oh, wait, this is to create the admin. So we're going to do user manager, and you want to add to role async. And this one is going to be, because we're going to register an admin right now. So we're going to do role admin. So now if we go back, let's build the application. Oh, I opened up in my other window. So hold on. So we hit register, see if, oh, we have a problem. Okay, role manager. Okay, what's going on over here? Name was resolved in Microsoft ASP.NET Core Role Manager. Wow, 10 thing. Okay. Think that's because of my page. Hold on. Let me check. All right, so we're trying to register, and so we got the error. So the reason why it's doing that is we have to go to the startup, and here inside the startup, inside with the data, right here, it says add default identity. We have to change it to add identity, and then we have to use here a second, which is going to be identity roles. And that, if we build it now, I should be able to get rid of that error. Okay, I saved it. It did not build. Hold on. Let me see. Oh, because identity roles. Oh, we got to get rid of all of this. I forgot about that because once we change that, and then you have to add here a default token provider. Okay. Okay, so we got rid of that. All right, so let me go ahead and build it again. And now we should have something different. I think it's going to give me a different error, but we'll fix it as we go. Okay, so now we have a different error. It says the UI service email sender while attempting to activate. Okay, so we have to fix that. We have to get rid of the email. So we're going to go ahead and take care of that right now. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to take care of that. So, so we have to create a class. See how this one here is asking for an email sender. So we're going to create that. So I'm going to go ahead and go to utilities, and I am going to create another class. I know there's a lot of errors to configure before the register can work. So here, what we're going to do is we're going to call this one email sender. Email sender like that. And it's going to be public class email sender. Perfect. That's just the way it needs to go. Okay, cool. So now we have that. So we go ahead and we have to derive from email sender. And we have to install a package. So I'm gonna hit control dot. And it's still gonna be red, but you're gonna have to hit control dot, and then you're gonna have to implement the interface just like that. Perfect. So now that we have that, so we're gonna go ahead and we gotta go back again to the startup. Okay, we're back to the sender, to the startup here. So here we're gonna add up a service, and here we're gonna do add singleton. And the first thing we're gonna implement is the interface. So it's gonna be add email sender. Hit control dot and go ahead and implement it. So then here's going to be email sender. Hit control dot again, and that should bring it from utilities. Okay, so now if we build it again, so let me hit control R. Let's see, we still get the error. No. Okay, cool. I think I'll have to build it up, build the application again. All right, cool. So I build it. Let me hit it again. All right, cool. So now we have that. Yeah, see, now it can work. It works. Perfect. All right, so let's go ahead and add the admin on it. I am going to call this one admin. This one I'm going to call it admin. This is my applications. I want to call this one I'm just going to call it Mark Devs. You can call it whatever for your admin. And here I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 Main Street just to create something. And here I am going to call it this one. I'm going to do Orlando, Florida. And this is going to be 338. Well, I'm just making up some numbers here. And I am going to call this one admin Gmail. The password. Okay, so the password we're going to do. I'm just going to make up a password. Let me make it ABCD 1, 2, 3, 4. ABCD 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me go ahead and hit register. Ooh. Okay, the password should be okay. So I guess it wants me to create a better password. All right. So let me do that. All right, hit register. And see if we have any errors. No, I didn't get no errors. Cool. So now see, now I have an admin. Cool. So with having an admin now, we can create like users. We can do all of that. So I can log out. Let me go ahead and log back in. Admin at Gmail, my password. Yep, see, now you have an admin. Perfect. All right, cool. So now that we have an admin, we can actually implement it here on the pages. So, you know, only the admin can access that. Let's say you want to go ahead and like, you know, read messages, only the admin can see that. And, you know, you can implement the, oh, you know what? Let me go back over here where it says, let me log out and let's go to login. So this one here, I am going to implement this one. So it's kind of out of whack. It doesn't look good. Let me go ahead and put that in there inside a container. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Let me go to areas. Let me go where it says login. All right. So I'm going to wrap this inside a container. Grab all of that. Oh, sorry, that went too much up. All right, let's grab all of that. Okay, we got all of this here. Boom. Beautiful. Okay, so we have that. We hit Control R. Yeah, much better. See, now I can log in. Again, I'm going to log in as an admin. Get a password. Boom. See, it's fast. I like about ASP.NET Core. It's fast. It's very lightweight. This is from the previous videos. You know, if you've seen it before. So we go to products. So yes, right now it's empty. I don't have any products right now. You can go to the blog. Yeah, that's if you want to go. Let's go back to the home page. If you actually go here where it says our blog, yeah, see, I don't have anything that's right. I empty the data so we can actually put better pictures. All right, cool. So let me log out. So that's pretty cool. See, that's that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do. Oh, almost forgot. Hold on. Let me go ahead and almost forgot about this here. Go ahead and do this real quick. Let's go to the database. And I want to show you the roles that we created. I want to make sure they're there. So let me go ahead and open database. Let me go here inside the application. inside there. All right, so inside the roles, here. So let's go ahead and browse the data. You go ahead and refresh. So it's nothing there because I have to, oh, wait. It should be something there because I was able to create roles right here. Yeah, see, so we have an admin, we have an employee, we have individual customer, we have customer. So, and we also should have, let me see, user roles. See, this is the one I created. So that's that. So now we have access, so we can actually create. Yeah, so we have an admin. We can create one for employee, one for the customer, one for a customer. Yeah, so it's amazing. So see, but that's how you will implement it. So that's pretty cool. All right, guys. So that's that for this video. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to show you guys how to display the users that we're going to be registering. But stay tuned for more. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment. So now you guys know how to register an admin on the page. So, and then we're going to implement more features on it as we go. All right, cool. See you in the next video, guys.